Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the WeatherTech floor liners for the Supra, and these are the same ones that you would get for also a BMW Z4 because they are very similar cars from the inside. So these are actually custom floor liners where you can replace the WeatherTech logo with a GR Supra logo that I was able to get for $15 extra. The first thing you have to do is change the floor mounts from the Velcro to these hooks. And so you do that by turning 90 degrees, and you can remove it and then put the new ones that came with the floor liners. The next thing you have to do is just put them in and make sure that they clip so that the hook is towards the driver, and when your feet push on the liner away from you, that it doesn't unhook. The passenger side is the same thing, and it was very easy to put in, so the total process took a few minutes only. Next, you can use a key or something to lift the original logo and pull it out, and then put the new logo that comes already ready with 3M adhesive on the back. The next thing you want to do is just pull off the protective cover after making sure it's secure, and that's it. So it looks really good overall. I highly recommend it, and it wasn't too expensive for something that'll last a long time in the car. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content, especially relating to the Supra.
Mm-hmm.